Hey everyone, coming to you live from my home office. Oh, that's so funny to me. How's everybody doing? Happy Thursday. Little Thursday check-in, little housekeeping, fun little announcement. Wanted to say hi, see what everybody was doing at 11:45 on the East Coast on Thursday. Ed's on board. I just saw him jump on. Hey, babe. Wondering, as we are continuing on through the week. This was a long week, but hopefully everybody had some fun somewhere along the lines, or something made them laugh or smile. This community is so amazing at doing all of that. Hey, Judy, good morning. Good morning, Lisa. Just checking in on everybody, just saying hey. Hey, Samantha. Good to see you guys. Lisa and I did our chat yesterday over on the IG. On the Instagram, and we had good results, meaning we did not screw up the feed. So we considered ourselves lucky that day. That was one of the things we were happy about. Good morning, Susan. Hey, Shane. Good to see you. Hi, Amy. Sunny day in Arizona. I love Arizona, Amy. Good morning, Edith. Hey, Jeremy. Good morning. Good morning, gang. Michelle, you're dyeing your hair. We need pictures. Please, let's see some pictures. We're going to have to talk about doing that for me too soon. We'll get there, I guess. Ed Tesher, you're on fire on Instagram. Oh, Amy, do not egg him on. Please do not egg him on. Hey, Margaret, I'm just kidding. I think he's hilarious. Sometimes, not always. Some things I question that he posts, but you all seem to laugh, so I move along with it. Michael from Morgantown, love it. Hey, Janice, good to see you. Hey, Renee. Hey, Marianne, Barbara. Hi, guys. Hey, everybody. Hey, Carla from Oklahoma, love that. Maddie, sunny Orlando. I have to say, it's pretty sunny out here too in Delaware, which is so great. I'm hoping everybody takes an opportunity, if you can, just to get outside for a little bit, just get a little vitamin D. I saw that they were saying that on the news, and I was like, I could really use a little vitamin D. Cloudy in sunny and cloudy in central New Jersey. Isn't that always the way, Nancy? Having grown up in New York, I know exactly what you're talking about. Angela, good to see you. Hey, Valerie. Okay, so Lisa's doing a use and care chat in about 15 minutes. So I figured I would hop on before she does. Hopefully you can join. Tara, your hair looks great. Well, thank you. New teapot on QVC. You guys always find everything. I love that about you. We're debuting a new product this weekend. Actually, 2 new products this weekend on Sunday in the Kitchen with David. One is like an acrylic like dip server. It's amazing. And it's awesome. And you put ice in the bottom and then you sit the dip on top. We partnered with a phenomenal company to bring that to you. So really excited about that. We're sharing that in the Kitchen with David. And we also have a tray that becomes a table that is so fantastic. You can then take the tray off and move it. So I'm so excited about that piece. So make sure you're checking in with us on Sunday if you can. I know it will be Easter celebration for a lot of people. And even though we can't be with all of the family and all of the friends and the normalcy that we have, I know we will be celebrating for all the right reasons. And we will be, I think reflective maybe on some of the past holidays that we've got to celebrate. I know for us, Passover started last night. And a lot of our family and friends were sharing pictures and memories. So it was nice to stay connected that way. And then I saw in the news, a lot of people were actually doing Zoom dinners together, which was nice. I guess everybody's just trying to figure it out. Amy Susie Whirl in the house. That's my bestie, by the way. She's out in Colorado. Hey, friend. Pennsylvania schools just announced that they are closing for the rest of the year. I'm wondering if Colorado, Amy's in the school district, is going to be the same. Kathy, good to see you. Hey, Teresa. Okay, so back to business, right? This is how I just derail. So Sunday, 2 new items. Lisa's going to do a use and care chat, and she's going to feature an item that we're going to show you on Monday also, where we're going to actually be doing our little cooking. We're going to make some tacos. So I'm super excited about that. But also, you guys have been absolutely loving our Star Stitch mug, our Tara's Must Have, 18 ounce total capacity. If you haven't seen Star Stitch before, you have that beautiful embossed star on the front and the back, polka dot red, white, and blue all around, the oversized handle, little thumbprint right there. I know. And then it comes, of course, with the little lid it. So this is your coaster for the bottom or your lid for on top. $12.95. You can get it home for under $20, an 18 ounce mug, which is why I think you guys are absolutely loving it. Plus you love to add it to your collection, but because it's been so popular, normally our sale price would end at 7 p.m. this evening. We're going to extend it until 7 p.m. tomorrow evening. So I thought that was really sweet. Give you further opportunity because many, if not almost all of you are buying more than one. So really excited to extend that as well. So the Tara's Must Have, another 24 hours. Okay. Well, maybe a little bit more at this point. So 7 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, back to saying hello to everybody. Ed, are you looking for me? I hear him milling around, so I wasn't sure if he was going to come in and say a quick hello. Hey, Pearl, good to see you. Hey, Janice, Mary Jo. Mary Jo, you said the sweetest thing about Lisa. I saw it on our Instagram chat, I think it was. And Teresa, good to see you. And Scarlett, Scarlett, the item number, you can just go over to temp-tations.com and you'll see it's called the Tara's Must Have. And there's also other pieces in our collection, in our Star Stitch, but this is our featured item. Oh, Marianne said a birthday gift for you. I like the way you think, Marianne. To me, from me are always the best gifts. Amy, great to thank the military people in your life. I love that, Amy. That's absolutely true. That's actually my father's flag right there. My father was in the Army, and that was actually presented to us at his funeral, which was truly one of the most breathtaking, the tradition that goes into that. It just takes your breath away. And then they presented it to my mom. And so I had the honor of keeping it. So it means so much to me. I'm going to get emotional. Okay, Cassie, good to see you. Hey, Barbara. Hi, Roz. Roz, the Star Stitch is over at temp-tations.com. So you can check that out. This pattern is exclusive over there. So this is extending. That $12.95 will go up. It was going to be tonight. Now it's going to be tomorrow night. So you definitely want to check that out. Lisa's going to have the use and care chat, and I think she's going to sneak peek some items. And then what? Lots of stuff going on. We are busy. Lisa put the link in there. Thank you. Oh, Laura, your dad was also in the armed services. Yep, love that. Hey, Laura, good to see you. Pearl, thank you. Thank you, my friend. Okay, so that was really my scoopy. I just wanted to share all of that with you. Let us know if you liked our Instagram chat. If you don't follow us over on Instagram, you should, because that was fun, and it's not something that we can do, as far as I know, via Facebook, where you can put the two people together and then they can have their conversation. But if anybody knows, let me know, because that would be great. And then guess what's back on Monday? Our dips. If you haven't tried our dip hooray, our savory dips are delicious pickle and our caramelized onion. They are back and going to be in gourmet holiday. So we keep updating our QVC calendar that you can check out over at temp-tations.com, but sign up for our email list. We'll send you newsletters. We'll keep you in the know. We'll let you know about new products. And it's just a really fun way to keep connected with all of us. Oh, I love that. Jane said she got her Doodle Doo collection in black. How'd we do? Any mugs coming? Maybe. Jennifer DeMonch, Migdal in the house. Wow, lots of my friends are popping on. Hey, friends, good to see you. Well, you're all my friends, but these are friends from I think Jen and I have known each other. I think we said, how many years is it? 30? And Amy and I have known each other for 20. So these are those lifelong friends. There's a line in one of the songs that says, you never get a second chance to make old friends. I'm butchering that, but it's such a great line. Anyway, you never get a chance to make old new friends. Right. That's it. I was watching the country music concert that they were doing, and I think it was a lyric in one of those songs. Anyway, you guys probably know. I'm clearly butchering it right now. Hello, everyone. Hi, Natasha from Minnesota. And Alaska. Love Alaska. Arinda. I hope I'm saying that right. Arinda. Loved my visit in Alaska. I think I talked about this the last time. Truly a magical place, and Denali National Park was incredible. And it was the one and only time that I have ever taken a helicopter ride and was so scared that I will never do it again. So check that off the list and never put it back. Teresa got the sweet dips and the cheesecakes. Love that. If you haven't tried our savory dips, they're amazing. Melissa from Tennessee, good to see you. Monica from Arkansas, look at everybody. Daisy from New York, hope you're taking care of yourself. Hope everybody's being smart and taking care of themselves. Hi from Colorado, lots of Colorado people. Spice, of course, Roxanne. There's always going to be spice. We've seen a lot of questions. Cranberry, spice. We don't always have the opportunity to bring in all of the colors, but absolutely we are continuing with those collections. All right, I don't want to go too long because then I'm going to bump into Lisa, who is going to do her use and care chat. So if you've never joined one, you absolutely should. She just gives out such great information, ask a million questions about the products, and we are here to help in any way that we can. All right. So when will I see you guys again? One never knows. Tomorrow morning, I'm probably just going to pop on and talk a little bit about gratitude. So if you want to join, that's going to be at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. And that's really all I got. North Carolina, hi, more gray, absolutely. Going to make the no-bake cheesecake lemon square recipe. It's delicious. Delicious. If you love lemon squares, we nailed it. We've been putting in, if you've been purchasing from temp-tations.com as our sweet treats, and by the way, I didn't mean to have these here. They just are here because I'm obsessed with them. We're dropping in randomly either a creamy coconut, hello, upside down and backwards, a cozy cappuccino, or a Razzie Raspberry, because we want to give you a sweet surprise, a sweet treat in our month of gratitude, which is all of April. I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to jump off. Lisa's going to jump on in a little bit, and I will talk to you all soon. And we'll keep you posted on everything we got going on because we are busy. All right. Bye, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, and you stay safe as well. Bye.